The next thing I'm going to talk about is why to take your job seriously. And let's take a background review of all the things I have spoken all this time. And that is, life throws some curves at you, life, life hits you and take you to the bottom. And it's your wish and your diligence to come out of the bottom. And you do. First, you connect with yourself. Second, your pain tolerance for various things it increases. Third, you find the reason or you find your drive. Fourth, you find the act that is made for you, and then you engage in that work consistently. And by the time you come to the surface and you start living amid storms, because coming to the real life is almost as living amid storms, because life is full of storms. It's not that if you come out of that hole, if you come out of depression, things are going to be smooth. No, they are going to be severe storms. They are going to be ruthless and then lethal storms. But by the time you come up to the surface, you learn a lot of things. First thing you learn is how to handle those storms, how to fight amid those turbulent times, and you cultivate a warrior-like, a fighter-like personality. And then you understand what life did to you, why it did to you, and why is it important to take your role seriously. First thing, let's start from the very beginning, the beginning of the beginning of the beginning. That is the Big Bang. Everyone knows that this is one of the theories about how our universe came into existence. So the first thing is our universe came out of nothing. We are children of nothingness. And now and then you might have known, जिनको नहीं पता है उनके लिए I'm going to give you a brief background about Big Bang. So the universe is composed of these two things, energy and matter. So before or during the Big Bang explosion, there was a time when all the matter and energy of the universe, it was compressed to unimaginable level. Unimaginable level. So with that much compression, you know what happens when things are compressed beyond which they can hold. So what happens? They're going to be explosion. हम सब इस फंडामेंटल के बारे में तो जानते हैं. When things are compressed beyond their compressive capability or their holding capability, what happens when things can no longer hold themselves? They explode. यही हुआ. So universe में, when it exploded, all the energy and matter is thrown out in vacuum. So that's how universe came into existence. So I can draw this like this कि explosion, उस explosion का नाम ही बिग बैंग है. तो ये explosion हुआ. यहाँ पे पहले मैटर इतना compressed था. and this matter got thrown out in all directions. एंड यही मैटर जो है धीरे धीरे इट गॉट कूल डाउन, और फिर उसके साथ ही बहुत सारी गैलेक्सीज बनी, गैलेक्सीज के अंदर प्लैनेट्स बने, और वैसे ही एक गैलेक्सी और एक प्लैनेट पे हम लोग रह रहे हैं, अर्थ पे, एंड देयर इज लाइफ. सो अब थे जो थिंग्स हैं, जो द मैटर एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम दैट एक्सप्लोजन, you won't believe this happened 13.8 billion years ago, and that expelled matter is still traveling. That expelled matter is still going somewhere in the other direction, or in the all direction. And if you can draw a chronological diagram, so it was here that Big Bang happened 13.8 billion years, and it is here 5 billion that our sun came, and it is here 4.5 billion years that Earth came, and the matter is still going on. एक बार पे तो ये सवाल आएगा कि why, what all this fuss is, कि आखिर लाइफ है क्यों ऐसा, कि लाइफ का मीनिंग या पर्पस क्या है, ये सब चीजें सब जा ही रही है, हो ही रहा है. एंड बहुत सारी साइंटिफिक थियरीज जो है वो यही कहती है कि द मैटर, द यूनिवर्स, it unfolded. Not a good diagram. I'm not good with diagrams, but you can say petals of a flower. Just imagine the petals of flower being unfolded, unwarped. So this is how the universe is going in all directions. And आप अगर उन्हीं साइंटिस्ट से, उन एस्ट्रोनॉमिस्ट से, कॉस्मोलॉजिस्ट से, उनसे आप पूछेंगे व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द फ्यूचर ऑफ यूनिवर्स, सो वो आपको बताएंगे कि इसी यूनिवर्स में होता क्या है, कि दे आर मैनी गैलेक्सीज, दे आर मैनी स्टार्स, और एक स्टार की लाइफ में दो चीजें होती है, थिंग्स ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस और इम्पोर्टेंस. या तो ये सुपरनोवा होगा. सुपरनोवा मीन्स स्टार जो है वो अपने लाइफ टर्म के बाद एक्सप्लोड हो जाएगा, और इसका जो मैटर है वो स्पेस के अंदर जाएगा. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, इट मे कोलैप्स एंड मे बिकम अ ब्लैक होल. एंड ब्लैक होल क्या करता है? ब्लैक होल इज लिटरली अ ब्लैक होल. हम इसको ब्लैक इसलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज लाइट कैन नॉट पेनिट्रेट इट, और हम लोग किसी भी चीज को देखते भी लाइट की वजह से हैं. सो इफ light cannot penetrate it, light cannot go through it, it's a blind area for us. That's why we call it black hole. And ये black hole जो स्टार के कोलैप्स से बना है, it starts eating nearby planets, nearby bodies जो भी है, चाहे वो planets हो, चाहे वो छोटे बड़े मीटियोर्स हो, मीटियोराइट्स हो, एस्टेरॉइड्स हो, जो भी हो. इवन ब्लैक होल जो है आसपास के छोटे छोटे ब्लैक होल्स को भी खा जाते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ दे बिकम बिगर. पहले ये था, आसपास खा के इतना बड़ा हो गया, इतना हो गया. सो नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, इतना बड़ा ब्लैक होल है. दीज आर पॉकेट्स ऑफ एक्टिविटी, मीन्स दीज आर गैलेक्सीज विद लाइफ, एंड उनके बीच में ये ब्लैक होल्स हैं जो बड़े होते हैं. द मोर दे ईट, द बिगर दे बिकम. सो दे मे बी अ टाइम कि एक टाइम आता था ये दीज ब्लैक होल्स दे बिकम बिगर, बड़े बड़े हो जाए और बड़े. एंड ग्रेविटेशनली दीज आर वेरी पावरफुल. दैट्स हाउ दे ईट नियर बाई बॉडीज, कि उनका ग्रेविटेशन जो है वो बहुत पावरफुल होता है, दे जस्ट gulp down or devour anything that comes comes into their proximity. So अब वापस हमारे क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी फ्यूचर ऑफ यूनिवर्स. सो ये देख के लग रहा है कि होगा क्या, ये ब्लैक होल्स जब है बड़े होते जाएंगे, बड़े होते जाएंगे. नाउ अब ये दोनों ब्लैक होल्स लास्ट में बचे हैं, so दे स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग ईच अदर, रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड ईच अदर, और एक टाइम आएगा कि दे वुड मर्ज इनटू और एक बड़ा ब्लैक होल बन जाएगा. तो एक यूनिवर्स के सेंटर में एक बहुत बड़ा ब्लैक होल ही होगा. थिंग्स माइट गो थ्री वेज. फर्स्ट, कि यूनिवर्स जिस तरह से जो फ्लावर्स के पीटल्स हैं अनफोल्ड हुए हैं, उसी तरह से वापस वो श्रिंक हो जाए, वापस कम बैक टू द सेम सुपर कंप्रेस स्टेट जिससे बिग बैंग हुआ था, उसी में वापस आ जाए. फर्स्ट. सेकंड ये है कि द यूनिवर्स में के सेंटर में बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्लैक होल्स हों, एंड ये सारा मैटर जो है, मैटर एंड एनर्जी है, सब खा जाए. there would be nothing left for us or anybody else to do. So universe यही होगा, nothing but a big fabric with large holes or large patches in between. And third thing, all these are scientific. Third scientific explanation for the demise of the universe is कि यूनिवर्स जो है अभी भी एक्सपेंड कर रहा है, अभी भी फैल रहा है, बट साथ में यूनिवर्स इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग कोल्डर. सो समथिंग दैट some scientists come up with this explanation that in the future the the universe may halt, and it will become more cool, it will become cooler and colder and stationary. And वो अब एक नॉर्मल से इंसान को भी पता होता है कि कोल्ड जो भी होता है, इट डज नॉट अलाउ वाइटल एक्टिविटी. इसलिए कोल्ड प्रेस होता है, इसलिए रेफ्रिजरेटर होता है, क्योंकि कोल्ड में जर्म्स बैक्टीरियाज वगैरह जो हैं वो नहीं कर पाते. सो तीनों ही, चाहे ये स्टेज विच एवर वे द यूनिवर्स गो, हमारे लिए तो यही है कि व्हाट ऑल दिस फर्स्ट इज अबाउट, कि अगर यही सब कुछ होना, यूनिवर्स को इसी तरह से खत्म होना है, तो व्हाई आर वी डूइंग दिस एंड व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन हियर. सो द सीक्रेट, the key to everything, the key to understanding this first, the key to understand all this going about is life. The key is life. And now, in order to sustain life, life can be sustained only with activity. You know it, that because activity generate heat, heat generate further activity, heat generate vitality. ये हमने अभी अभी समझा है that cold does not allow vital activity, or so cold does not allow life. There has to be some heat, और वही heat जो है वो vital activity allow करेगी. So there has to be some activity in life, and not just activity. The activity need to be consistent and constant and continuous, and this is what life is about. Humans may believe that we are driving the world, or we are driving the activity, we are driving everything, but it's not the case. लाइफ के बहुत सारे manifestations हैं. There are many forms of life, and we are one of those forms. One of those forms. Just ask you a simple question: How we are alive? How are we alive? So we are alive by eating and drinking. and respiring, and all these things. Just take eating. So we eat food, grains, cereals. वो कहाँ से आते हैं? So it's a whole system. बहुत सारी activities those are at play. कि this is top soil. इस टॉप सॉइल के अंदर डेट्रिटस होता है, ह्यूमस होता है, बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं. दे गिव vitality or nutrients to soil because soil needs nutrients. Now, whatever the crop is, they are bees and pollinators. और वो pollinators जो हैं, they help in fertilization. And there are lot of other species who help us get our food in our plate. Food in our plate, in our stomach. So I'm talking about the whole system of life. We should not forget all this activity, all those life forms. And now when it comes to consistency, अब bees जो हैं, honey bees हो गए, pollinators जितने भी हैं, just take the example, उनका ये है कि they are always in action. They don't stop. Many animals, animal plant species, जितने भी species आप देखते हैं, they don't stop. They engage in regular or consistent action. It's not that they don't sleep, or they don't engage in recreation, or they don't engage in reproduction, all those activities, but they are consistent about their actions. So this is what makes things go, or this is what moves things, and this is what propel life up. This is how life is propelled ahead. And this propelling of life, we know it by name of evolution. Evolution is nothing but is successful transmission of genes, which is a two-parter. One, there is some reproduction, either sexual or asexual, and there is survival. And now talking about us, हम लोग भी we first step in our genesis was reproduction, and then our parents ensured it that we survive to some length, that we reach up to a certain age that we are after which we are capable of finding our own ways, survival up to certain age. So this is what evolution is. Hence, so evolution itself is a constant activity, a consistent and regular activity, and this is important. Now talk about the topic I started this video with. That is why it is necessary to take your job seriously. अब आप लोगों ने जिस धरती पे जिस जगह पे रहते हैं, हर जगह पे एग्जाम्पल जो है वो तो कॉमन ही होता है, लाइक पॉल कोएल्हो सेड ऑल थिंग्स आर वन, जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि कुछ स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स जो हैं वो बहुत पॉपुलर होते हैं, कुछ पान वाला जो है वो बहुत पॉपुलर होते हैं, कुछ वॉशर्स जो होते हैं बहुत पॉपुलर होते हैं कि उन्हीं से कपड़े धुलवाने, उन्हीं से आयरन करवाने, उन्हीं वहीं से पान खाना है, वहीं से हमें पानी पूरी खानी है, ठीक, या वहीं से हमें ये शूज ठीक करवाना है, कॉबलर्स की पर्टिकुलर वही है, कोई पर्टिकुलर बार्बर हैं, हमें वहीं से सर्विसेज लेनी है. एंड इट हैपन्स कि हर जगह पे ऐसे होता है. इवन फोन जो चार्जिंग सर्विस वगैरह होती है उनका भी यही है. जो मोटर व्हीकल की सर्विस जो होती है उनका भी एक ही, कई कई ऐसे होते हैं कि जो पॉपुलर होते हैं कि हाँ उन्हीं के पास जाना है, दूसरों के पास नहीं होती। एंड आप लोगों ने अगर कंग फू पांडा सीरीज देखी हो तो उसमें आपने देखा होगा कि वो सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स की बात करता है, secret ingredients, and finally it is revealed that there is no secret ingredients. So there are no secrets. Yes, there are no secrets. यहाँ पे जितने भी हैं जो फेमस पान वाला है या फेमस बाबर है या फेमस कॉबलर है, उन्होंने कुछ नई चीज नहीं डाली. The thing is, they took their job seriously. तो सेम चीज जब मैंने यूनिवर्स की बिग बैंग से लेकर उसके डिमाइस तक की बात की, तो वो इसलिए if we look at the universe, the way the things are going, it does not make sense. It does not make sense at all कि एक फ्लावर है, ठीक है. अब I cannot make it so, I don't, but you know how petals of a flower unfold. So universe is like that. अगर universe का birth जो है वो एक shrunken flower से, the petals of flower, they folded outward, just like एक फूल कैसे खिलता है and then वापस shrink होता है. And you can imagine it doing in your palm, that you close your fist and then you open it. So if this is the way universe is going, or whatever way it is going, like if it is going to be colder some 4-5 billion years uh, later, it does not make sense. The whole activity of life does not make sense. All of this makes sense only when we see through it. We see it through the key that is life. Yes, and life is nothing but consistent activity. And this consistent activity, if you engage something, uh, if you need to engage into some activity, then why not take it seriously? Because if you take something serious, if you take your job seriously, first thing, you do not worry about what makes sense and what not. What makes sense and what does not. First ये चीज आय हो जाती है. If you are a cobbler, but one who takes his job seriously, so all all your action, आपकी पूरी जिंदगी, it revolves around that work, nothing else. So there is peace of mind, there is activity, and the life reward mechanism, which says the more you act, the more you gain. So अगर आप यही चीजें आपके आसपास देखते हैं, तो you need to revisit or recall all these things, that universe makes sense only through when it is seen through the light of, or seen through the eyes of life. Life is the key, and life is nothing but consistent activity. And if you need to engage in consistent activity, why not take it seriously? Why not be serious about your job? If you take it seriously, everything will make sense, or even if it does not, it won't matter. Second, your whole idea, your whole psyche, your personality, your life revolves around your job. And then the more you act, the more you gain. And fourth thing, life is a grand play, a play in which you are the chief, the lead role. You are playing the main role. So you need to engage into that consistent action with seriousness and diligence. Because if you don't, so how long your thinking can go? How long you can think? How broad or up to what extent can you think? Because our limits are here. If you can imagine about, if you want to worry about or dream about, talk about, discuss about the events of life, it's when I said all things are one, this diagram it represents electromagnetic field. It also represents how energy moves. It also represents how energy moves everywhere. लेकिन जिसके बारे में बात करनी है वो ये है कि अगर आपकी सोच कहाँ तक जा सकती है। आज अगर आप अपना काम सीरियसली नहीं लेंगे आप कहाँ तक सोचेंगे? जहाँ तक सोच सकते हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग दिस the birth of everything, the Big Bang, and now universe is still expanding. Maybe it may go for 27 billion years more. फिर so इस टाइमलाइन से लेकर इस टाइमलाइन तक आप इतना सोच के what is going to happen? Nothing. But if you take your job seriously, we need to run this system effectively. If we take our job seriously, if a driver, a surgeon, a doctor, an actor, a sportsman, a teacher, a student, a bureaucrat, a manager, a salesman, जितनी भी jobs आप देखते हैं, barber, washer, you know that we are in a system and we are in a labyrinth. जिनको नहीं पता है, labyrinth is like a web. ऐसा web कि we are interdependent. हम सब की एक्टिविटी जो है वो interdependent है. And suppose you are a mother in your household and there are no other woman in your family, and if you are going through severe depression and you don't look after your children, you don't look after your kids, you don't look after your family, there is no cleaning, there is no washing, there is no cooking, what's going to happen? The system is going to collapse. Just imagine all these the individual steps in a grand scaffold, because life is like a grand scaffold and all these are some steps or some tangents, some places, some pedals. इनमें से अगर कोई भी अपना काम ढंग से ना करे, so this system is going to collapse. And when the system is going to collapse, what it does is, first thing, an individual, whoever it is, अगर वो अपना काम नहीं करता तो उसकी वजह से तो सिस्टम कोलैप्स होगा नहीं. बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज लाइफ life will teach you harder. Life will make you learn the important lessons. Learn the lessons. Life will make you find the reasons to go on. Life will make you uh, go for this journey. But उसके बाद भी if you don't stand up for yourself, you don't go through it, what happens is life kicks you out. And यही होता है लाइफ में, यही होता है. You don't have to blame people for their behavior. It's just that if you don't do your job, they have theirs. That's it. If you and they have learned their lessons, just like you are learning it now. They have learned their lesson, and now to to move this giant wheel, or to move this to play this drama or to act in this play, all things are to act in this play, your activity it is going to be consistent and predictable, and it makes sense. And this is how the reward mechanism works. So if you engage in a consistent action but in a disgruntled way, the rewards would be less. But if you engage in your consistent action meaningfully and seriously, just like whatever your job is, even if it is simple, just take it seriously, just do it diligently, and you have seen the example. You may become a popular pani puri wala, and you know what that means. You may become a popular, sugarcane farmer. You may become a popular or successful teacher. Just find your niche, just find your domain and rule this domain. And this thing, this success, whole things will make sense, will come to you only after you take your job seriously. Don't worry about anything. If you want to engage in some deep thoughts about how the universe is going, what this life is, how am I going to do this, where the world is moving, trust me, there are no answers. Right? As of now, we don't have any answer, and I have discussed earlier the demise of future our universe, and I have told you about all the three probabilities. This is how our universe may end, and so if it is a way universe from birth to death यही होना है, तो फिर ये इतना सब कुछ क्यों? तो वो सब यही है कि the key is life. We need to make it happen, and we need to make it happen on a grander scale. We may need to move it to the other level, और वो हम other आगे किसी और चीज में डिस्कस करेंगे when we talk about quantum mechanics, quantum physics and plus evolution. वो उस टाइम बात करेंगे. So this is how it is. Let's summarize it. Summary is that life makes sense only when it is seen through life, through the eyes of life. And life is nothing but consistent action. Now, if you take your action, whatever it is, either you are selling a street food, either you are making phones or teaching, making bottles, making paper, making consumables, other perishable materials, or even a vegetable vendor, whatever your job is, take it seriously. Do it like it is everything. Your life depends on it. और जब आप वो करेंगे, everything will follow. Street vendors जो popular होते हैं, they are earning more. So when you take your life seriously, life rewards you better, much better. This is it. Thank you very much.